However, biodiversity doesn't just exist in national parks. It can be found in schools, in your backyard, on a farm, next to or in a creek. In fact, it can be found just about anywhere. And that is really important, especially today, because Australia has not had a very proud record of looking after the environment. Clearing of land, the introduction of feral pests and weeds, overgrazing by farm animals have all had a dramatic impact on the landscape. That's obvious from the problems of salinity and erosion that we so often see around us. In the last 200 years, half of all animal extinctions worldwide have occurred in Australia, and that means about 40 species of our mammals and 100 species of plants no longer exist here. For the long term, the challenge for all of us is to try to stop the loss of native animals and plant species, and to do what we can to recover those species already in danger of extinction. Our national parks and other areas that have been set aside for conservation help play a vital role in this process. But because biodiversity is everywhere, it still needs our help to keep it healthy. How we manage our farms, look after our garden, or even the types of plants we grow in our schools can all have a positive influence. Careful use of the land, our rivers, and the sea makes a huge difference to the conservation of our biodiversity. And that's something we can all help with. Many people in the community have already taken it upon themselves to help preserve our biodiversity. They are planting trees, protecting delicate areas, and providing habitats for plants and animals that are under threat. This is community action that is going to benefit all of us, now and in the future. And it's something we'll need to continue and expand if we wish to fix some of the problems in our environment. National parks and other protected areas are an excellent reminder of what has been achieved already. They contain important examples that show us how diverse our landscape is and how rich the biodiversity is within it. With our National Parks Network, started 130 years ago, together with the help of people in their local communities, we can ensure the protection of many different and unique natural habitats. In turn, that will help protect our native biodiversity. And that's something that will benefit us and the children of generations to come.